Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you all? I hope all fit and fine. Those who are watching my video from English with Sean. Today I have come our own Upojala for doing our work, and that's why I thought I should make video as I am a passionate on making video and I fond of make video everywhere. For the reason I try to make video everywhere, and this is one kind of practice you can say, and video making is the best way to improve our speaking English. And I have observed this thing: those who are making video, they are good at English speaking, basically speaking. Actually, those who are English content creator, they have extra courage in their heart, and as well as you can say I am passing a good time with my speaking English, and every day I try to practice like this guy. So as a beginner you should do this kind of work every day. So assalamu alaikum.